All right, now we're going to be going over catches, how to catch your nunchuck, okay? Because it's going to look really ugly if you stop and have to put your nunchucks together. You want to come to a nice catch, okay? So these are 1-inch nunchucks. You don't have to worry about catching it under your arm and grabbing it. That is one way to catch it, okay? We're going to go over a bunch of different ways. So this way is going to be the easiest. Put in your hands, okay? Just hold it palms up, just rest it on your hands. You should have good weighted nunchucks. Toss it up, pinch between your 2 fingers, okay? Your thumb and your first finger. Pinch, slide it up, and catch, okay? Do it slow at first. You don't want to have your finger in between, okay? So if you catch, you'll smash your finger, especially when you're going fast. That'll hurt, okay? So have your nunchucks forward, swing, and catch, okay? This is a good exercise to do. Just put your hands to your side, catch. Swing forward, catch. Okay, and as you get good at that, you're going to want to practice coming out and catch. 1, 2. Come out to the other side, 2. Then do them at the same time. Here, and catch. So once again for that catch, pinch between your 2 fingers, spin around, and catch, okay? Hold it in between, spin, and catch. Flip it straight over. 1, 2, come to the side, 3, come to the other side, 4. Okay, real slow. Catch, come across, catch. Up, catch, down, catch, okay? See, I pinch and grab, and that's all there is to it. Back to the front, okay? And practice catching, different ways. You can do it off the spin, okay? Off your L's, catch, catch, go back to your L, catch, catch, okay? Those are all going to be great ways to practice. You can even make up your own ways to do your catches. There's a bunch of different ones. You come to the top, to the bottom, side, okay? Other side, okay? Make sure you practice with both hands. You got to be able to catch any direction at any time in case you mess up or if you need to stop, okay? You don't ever want to stop with just and leave them hanging, okay? That looks really ugly, right? So go ahead and practice into a catch.